To fix Snapchat lag on Android on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Snapchat. When you will find Snapchat, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, then click OK, and go back and click force stop, click OK, and now you have to restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.